If you have a house in Whitehouse, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, we've been buying houses in and around Whitehouse and all over the Toledo area. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it very, very easy for you, the seller. The reason we keep it easy and the way we keep it easy is we're going to buy the house, your house in Whitehouse, in its as-is condition. That means there's no repairs you need to make. You don't need to close any or clean anything or haul anything away. We're true as-is buyers, and we pay cash for the property. And that's important to know. It's often overlooked, but we're not relying on some third-party appraiser and third-party mortgage company and lender, and that's all nonsense. They're just going to waste your time. They're going to send this formal inspection through your house. They're going to nitpick. And if this traditional buyer who's using a mortgage company is represented by a real estate agent, get ready to pay a bunch of commissions and fees. With us, there's no fees whatsoever. We're local, and we got hundreds of reviews and testimonials, so I know for a fact we're going to treat you right. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what you are. We're going to close on your timeline. When you're working with these traditional buyers using a mortgage company and a real estate agent, you're closing on their timeline. You can only close when their bank approves it, and that's after they've already nitpicked your house to death and probably want you to add credits and fees and reduction on the price, because that's just how that process works. Not us. We will buy the house as is, and when you call us, we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property, and if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and communicate with you very transparently throughout this process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. So if you have a house or a property in Whitehouse, Ohio, and you want to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but that's just because we are founded there. We're all over Whitehouse, we're all over Toledo, and we're all over the whole great state of Ohio. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com, phone number 614-300-5151. And when you call us, we just need to know more about the house and know more about the situation. It's not going to be an interrogation by any means. We don't got time for that, neither do you. We're not going to waste your time. We're going to treat you fair. This is not some call center. We're locals. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, and we're going to treat you and give you a fair shake. And if our offer works for you, great. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be added pressure and fake urgency and playing games and sales tactics. Nothing like that. We got hundreds of reviews and testimonials, and people love working with us because we're not going to blow smoke and waste your time. We're going to get this thing done for you. You're going to love working with us. So once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151, and our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. You can hop online, fill out a very simple little form. And my name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.